Steve Reed in Chicago with the results of the USDA crop report. For the most part, the numbers were close to what the USDA, what the trade was expecting, except for the soybean crop number. Right now, we've got beans a little bit lower, wheat lower, and corn unchanged. Corn crop 15,278, 181.8 yield. Market was looking for 15,174. The beans 44.25 versus 42.54, a yield of 53.3. As far as the wheat number, 1838 wheat crop, market was looking for 1832. As far as the carryouts are concerned for 2021, corn 2756, they were at 2648. Beans 610, they were at 425. And wheat 925, and they were at 942. As far as the world numbers are concerned, world corn carryout 317.4, they were at 315.0. Wheat 316.8, they were at 314.8. And beans 95.8, and they were at 95.0. And as far as numbers from production, they still kept Brazil soybean crop at 126. And Argentina, they dropped a little bit to 49.7. And they did raise the China new crop imports to 99 million metric tons. As far as specifics on the individual S&D numbers, with the bigger bean crop for next year, they also increased exports and crush. But still, you've got a 610 carryout, and they're talking about 835 average farm price versus what they estimated 850 last month. They did raise soybean oil exports, but the ending stocks were up a little bit because of higher production. They did raise domestic and export meal use because of the higher production, but they also lowered the average price of meal $10 a ton to $290 from $300. For corn for next year, they raised the exports a little bit to offset the little bit higher crop number. And as far as wheat is concerned, they did show a little bit increase in export numbers to give a little bit lower carryout. All in all, I don't really think the numbers change the outlook for price. The weather's good. I think the USDA might be a little bit high in demand, and the final crop numbers could actually be a little bit bigger. And so we're still looking at probably D's corn below $3. And at some point in time, November beans trading at or below $8. The wheat probably will follow corn, but we've seen this week wheat prices down pretty hard globally, led by Australia. And the USDA did increase the Australian crop, the Russian crop, and lower the European crop. So all in all, kind of an interesting reaction to what I would consider to be a neutral to negative report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.